figure out how to get down.
Doing okay, Channy?
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Ooh. Don't help him. It's funnier this way.
Yeah, Natalie, you're the meanest person ever.
Hey, Dad, you're right in my video. He got himself up there, he can get himself down.
No, but you've changed the equation by adding more to it.
No, he probably jumped up on
He jumped
that
over
desk.
here, yeah.
That's where he should go.
Come over here, Chandler.
Channy.
So how long is that one going to be?
I don't know.
He texted you, didn't he?
I don't know. I'm taking a video right now. This is funnier.
Natalie.
He says his kitchen is spotless. And he hasn't gotten the truck yet.
Well, I can help you take it down, Ron.
Channy, I'll help you.